Orang hang ni mentah bat langut kinong hikai kia kani rega jike quest hi nak gilada panle eki khynnah school teh ka juga por ngan le robat ya kinong hikai. What is the longest cave in Meghalaya? First option is Krem Kotsati, second option de Krem Maumlu, third option de Krem Liat Pra.
B. Maumlu. B.
B kadai Kotsati, A kadai Maumlu, C kadai Krem Liat Pra. The longest cave in Meghalaya.
C. C. Let's go with C. You said C. Fine, C.
C. Unfortunately, Krem Liat Pra is the correct answer.
Fortunately, no?
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Ya ka Meghalaya High Court la establish house name ayu.
Cut up, you got last time how 20.
It's quite recent.
Yeah, that's what. 2002. 2008. 2009. If I'm not, yeah. I think it's 9. I think it's 9.
Close.
It's close, but it's not correct. Then I'll go with 7, 2007.
2007. Okay.
2,
2013.
2013.
If you said recently, it should be 10
Very
years.
recent.
10 years celebration they do, no?
Yeah.
So that means if you minus 23 and 13 will be 10 years. So we'll go to 2013.
Okay, fine. 13.
That makes
Very
sense.
smart. Ya ka Meghalaya High Court la establish house name ayu and bara langut ngiong 2013, which is the correct answer.
Oh, wow.
What is the local name of Elephant Falls? Number 1, Bofi Falls. Number 2, Tirshi Falls. Number 3, Kindram Falls. Number 4, Kakshat Lai Pateng Khor Seo.
Kashan,
Lai Pateng.
Yes, that's it. Yes, I'm sure.
Isha.
Yes.
Lokal.
Yeah. Because
That's
the
the only-
elephant got for elephant falls got 3 levels, no? 3 levels are there. So he said Lai Pateng. So I
Lai
think so.
Pateng, Shat Lai Pateng.
Lai Pateng falls. Yeah. So yeah.
The ka local name jo ka Elephant Fall. The correct answer is Kakshat Lai Pateng Khor Seo. Jingkali ka ba ning kong kalong. Ya ka Anglo wa last dang house name ayu. First option 1819, second option 1919, third option 1829, and fourth option 1910.
1829.
1829. Famous.
1829.
1829. Ya start ha kina hikai sini deh. Tak kata ke the first correct answer. Second question kalong. Katno teli kisi and RD blocks kita nama Meghalaya. First okay, ngan nama option ta. Katno sim duk mai
55.
55.
Also can not option.
Ngan ausaki option ta. First option you done Qatar teli, second you done South Pole teli, third option you done 55 kembang pi, fourth option you done live kendai teli. 55. Kenapa? Tangan batai no ya ka answer. Karena teli kisi anadi blouse ni dan Meghalaya and ka correct answer kadai 55. Kena langsung nembu option cuma. Dah. Ya ka Northeastern Hills University kepada Hatura last sing house name ayu.
February 1996. Yeah,
1996. Tapi kena para okay. Ngan batai no ka answer. Ka Northeastern Hills University kepada Hatura last sing house name ayu. Dan ka jawab kalong 1996. Sekali ketika round 3 jong ka GK quiz batki teachers. The first question is who is the current governor of Meghalaya? First option Pragu Chauhan, second option V Shanmuganathan, third option Satyapal Malik, fourth option CH Vijaya Shankar.
CH Vijaya Shankar.
Miss Ngan option. First option Pragu Chauhan, second option V Shanmuganathan, third option Satyapal Malik, fourth option CH Vijaya Shankar.
CH Vijaya Shankar.
Okay.
After Pragu Chauhan, CH Vijaya Shankar is the current governor.
Okay. That is the first correct answer. cái cái thầy khá sĩ cái bạn con tắm bạn yo long chiefs cái three trong cái mấy cái này kata là đang amai option cái long nè
RV Suchiang.
Abi Suchang okay Mati Miss
I'm not really aware of the answer, but I'm just following my friend.
okay okay
RV Suchiang.
okay
RV Suchang.
Abi Suchang for the viewers can you ialehkai option ma the first option is Agatha Sangma second option is Thailand Panbo third option Kumbong Miss Rebecca Vanessa Suchang fourth option day 16 am dengan batai no cái answer cái thầy khá sĩ cái bạn con tâm bạn yo long chiefs cái three trong cái mấy cái này and the correct answer is RV Suchang. This is start miss. This is the final round miss. Cái current affair. Mana beri chairman cho cái MPSC mentama. And I option first option day Ashish Mankin Sangma, second option day Monica Shiraksiar, third option day PR Marwen, and the fourth option is Sealing Dog. And repeat the option. First option day Ashish Mankin Sangma, second option day Monica Shiraksir, third option day PR Marwen, fourth option day Sealing Dog.
PR Marwen.
PR Marwen. Barak
PR Marwin.
kata kita coba minta macam barak lagi.
PR Marwen.
PR Marwen. Asal day ban ai yang kiwei di kiwei wa khamya day. Nomor ba kata aru kedeka correct answer. Te barak light ki round tila ya correct answer. Kulbe shibo ni fi mes ki kucing shimata jumpi barak mo. Kulbe shibo.